Today we're out in Green Acres, Florida to correct a drainage project that another contractor tried to do. You can see that they ran this corrugated pipe through here. One of the objectives is going to be capturing the water that comes out of this channel drain, and I got this special fitting right here that will, when I dig this out, fit into this perfectly to an 1.5 inch pipe that we can connect to our PVC line that we'll be putting into the ground here. We're actually going to be excavating it here to pull out the corrugated pipe, and then we're going to connect to the corrugated pipe right underneath this walkway because it is corrugated all the way to that downspout. We're going to transfer over to PVC, and then we're going to connect that drain to the PVC. We're also going to install a catch basin because the neighbor's downspout actually comes over here, and that's the reason why the customer actually put these blocks up to stop the water from coming onto his property. We're going to collect that water because there's not going to be any stopping that. So we're going to collect that water here in a catch basin, and then that water will be sent out to outside the gate here, and then it will exit out of another catch basin. So let's get started.